All right, this should be a quick review for us. We've got some similar triangles that we see here. Remember that squiggle means similar. Squiggle means similar. I see that those two triangles are similar to each other, so I want to highlight my corresponding side lengths. So that means this long side is going to go with this long side. This side here is going to go with this side here. And then this side is going to go with that side. So there's my corresponding side lengths. Then I need my angles. D and I go together. They're both the first in the triangle names. E and G go together. They're both second in the triangle names. And then F and H are last. They are corresponding angles. So since I is 26 degrees, that means D is also 26 degrees. Remember, corresponding angles are congruent. So that means if E is 108 degrees, G is also 108 degrees. Corresponding angles, angles that are in the same spot, are equal in measure. We also want to figure out the side lengths. We're just going to find out one side length so that you guys can get started on your formative. We're going to solve for X. We're going to solve for X. So remember, we need to set up a proportion to solve. But before we set up our proportion, first we need our word ratio. What words have we been using this past week for our word ratio? Big and small. It doesn't matter what's on top or bottom. It just matters that those numbers go in the right spots on the proportion. So if we're trying to find side X, that means I must have orange in my proportion so that I can solve for it. So I know I'm going to need my orange colors. And then, can I use my greens? No, I don't know both side lengths for my greens, so that means I have to use my blues. I have to use my blues. My small orange is 7. My big orange is X. My small blue is 12. My big blue is 21. Again, make sure that you've got the numbers in the right spots by using your colors. Now we want to cross multiply and divide. 7 times 21 is 147. X times 12 is 12x. Then we need to do our river of love. Divide both sides by 12. You can use your calculator. 147 divided by 12 is going to give me 12.25 for that missing side length X. Don't forget you can use your calculator on your formative. Good luck, and use your colors.